I just had 30 days of Shopify Guru scam training. What is going on, guys? My name is Jesse EB. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'll be releasing weekly content in regards to e-commerce, Shopify dropshipping, and everything online entrepreneurship. If you haven't started a Shopify store yet, be sure to check the link in the description. I'm giving free audits for anybody that signs up and buys a plan using that link, and there's a small commission that's earned that I invest right back into the channel to continue bringing you guys more powerful content, free giveaways, and stuff like that. So be sure to take advantage of that. All right, gotta have a little bit of a heart-to-heart with you guys, but let's go ahead and move somewhere else because there's some construction that's going on right outside my house. So let's try to get away from that a little bit. Let's go. You guys, I've completely failed you the entire time that I've known you, and I'm kind of upset about it. I haven't done my job to really impact lives positively, even though I thought I was. As a lot of you guys know, for a long time, I've always hated those slimy gurus, slimy marketers that are just in the game for profit and not to really impact lives positively. I still do hate people like that. I hate unethical practices, I hate scammers, and I always will. And let's be honest, the marketers in our space, 9 times out of 10, are in it for profit only and not really to impact lives positively. Half of them don't even really have a Shopify store. Most of them just really don't care about helping people. I think profit should be a side effect of helping people and impacting lives positively and not just the sole purpose why we do what we do. But the unfortunate fact about the marketers and the Shopify and making money online space is they don't really feel the same way I do. You know what I mean? It's pretty common, right? But you guys, I just went through the best 30 days of my life in terms of my entrepreneurial journey. The past 30 days have impacted my life and skyrocketed my progress more than I could have ever imagined possible. I actually had direct mentorship and training from some of the best marketers on planet Earth. It was mind-blowing. And I had this for 30 days straight, non-stop. Like, this training was worth thousands. They could have easily collected, $5,000 per person for the value that was in that training, in my opinion. It was super valuable. And it wasn't intense training. It was the longest hours I've really put in for quite a long time, aside from when I was strictly learning Shopify and I was on my grind learning all that a couple years ago. But after a month of training with some of the best marketers on earth, my eyes were open. And I've kind of been introduced to this whole new language and this whole new world of marketing that I've never really understood before. So now I'm able to, instead of assuming that everybody that's trying to sell something, every marketer is a slimy guru trying to scam, like I have before, I could actually decipher who's in the game to actually help people and impact lives positively versus who's in it for only profit and to run things unethically. I could actually tell the difference now because I've learned this new language. So the veil's been lifted and it's incredibly powerful. So with this newfound ability to kind of speak a new language, I've set out to use my powers for good, unlike so many Shopify gurus in this space. I'm continuing on working on and kind of learning this language more so that I can use my powers for good. And with great power comes great responsibility. What I learned based on human psychology is the best way I'm going to be able to impact as many lives positively is to actually be able to sell things to people. I'm actually doing a disservice to anybody that's trying to learn Shopify and become an entrepreneur if I give everything away for completely free. It's counterintuitive, right? But humans are irrational, and trying to convince a human rationally with a rational argument is pretty much the same as trying to explain to a 5-year-old why they shouldn't be eating candy because of the dangers of sugar. It just doesn't really work, and I can't do anything to change human psychology. At first I was always thinking, all right, I want to impact as many lives as possible, so I'm going to give everything away for free. It makes sense, right? It doesn't make sense for human psychology though. Humans are kind of wired weird. So why is that? If I want to impact lives positively, why don't I just continue giving everything away for free? There's an unfortunate and kind of simple reason for that, and there is a lot of things I could give away for free, but there's some things that I do need to charge for. For example, if I have information that's incredibly valuable for somebody's success, I have to charge for it. Psychologically, I have to charge for it. Not because I need the money or want the money, but because humans don't take shit seriously unless they pay for it. And the Shopify and making money online community is already self-sabotaging itself. It's too far gone at this point. Like, look at my YouTube channel, for example. I give everything away for free. It's the exact same information that the gurus charge thousands of dollars for. And guess what? Nobody takes it seriously. There's a handful of people that take it seriously, but the masses do not take it seriously if it's free. So I'm effectively not impacting lives as positively as I possibly could. The information I give away for free is worth thousands of dollars. But I've actually had subscribers that go and buy $1,000 courses and then come back to me and complain that they got scammed. I'm kind of like the friend zone guy that the female that gets abused by her boyfriend comes and cries on my shoulder, but doesn't take my advice when I tell her to leave. So like the viewers in the Making Money Online and Shopify community are kind of like the abused girlfriend, you know what I mean? So now I'm at a crossroads. I don't want to scam people. I'm never going to scam anyone. But I do need to kind of play that game. I need to play the human psychology game so that I can truly impact lives positively. I got to play that sort of marketing game. If somebody is going to purchase something one way or another, at least they could purchase it from me, and then I know that the money is put to good use, and I know that after their purchase, they will truly be taken care of and not just casted aside as a, customer that bought some shit and then never get the help that they truly need. So if I could even grab like a few of those people that would be potentially going to get scammed somewhere else, and I could give them what they're looking for, because a lot of people want to just purchase something. People are buyers sometimes. They want to buy something. So I would be doing a disservice if I didn't offer the items that people want to purchase, because I'm effectively pushing them to go buy it from someone else that's going to scam them. So if somebody buys something from me, I know that I can guarantee I have the best customer service in business. I'm up there with customer service quality on par with Amazon, and there's few and far between that could really match that. And I'm not saying that to brag or anything, I just have 10 years of experience and was mentored by one of the best in the game in terms of like customer service when I was starting out in retail. So I cut my teeth starting at 15 and a half years old, having one of the best mentors in the game teaching me customer service and hard work. So anyway, my point is, if at least I can guarantee that if anybody purchases something from me, some kind of information product or what have you, at least I know that the money's being put to good use and that the customer service will be there for them because I will be handling it. So the disappointments will be a lot more few and far between. And I will know that they are taken care of in exchange for their investment with me. And then at least I know that any additional funds that are earned by me selling products would be actually invested in the good, building the channel, bringing you guys more powerful content, bringing you guys more entertainment, hiring out more stuff, because I'm not investing into this channel. I'm using the subscribers, affiliate links, and everything like that to invest back into this channel. So at least I would know like any money earned is being handled properly. Because you see so many guys going out buying Gucci bags and shit, just blowing their money on stupid shit after they launch some kind of, product. So at the end of the day, I just realized that psychologically, humans need to be sold. A lot of sales techniques kind of seem manipulative, but you're actually doing a disservice if you can't properly relax the mind of the buyer, make them comfortable enough to purchase so that their life can be impacted positively. You're doing a disservice. It might seem unethical to do these kind of sales techniques, but at the end of the day, it's a technique that works with the human psychology of the brain. And if you have something that's going to impact somebody's life positively, then you need to do everything in your power to make sure that they're convinced of it. And that will take some psychological sales techniques. So I need to play the game. I need to play that marketing game so that I could truly impact as many lives as possible. So I don't know really, I got kind of like a beta release that I want to share with you guys. I compiled this massive package. It's $2,000 worth of stuff into a package. I'll leave the link in the description. You could pick up your free ebook for starting out on Shopify. But if you continue through after that, there's a package that is worth well over $2,000 that I just compiled for you guys. I'm actually losing money on the deal because as soon as I start running advertisements to that, it's gonna be all going in the hole. So I'm gonna be running this very temporarily, this package I have going on. And based on everything I've gone through the past 30 days, this is for you guys. This is what I feel like is most beneficial for you guys, because I know that this package is gonna really revolutionize your progress. Whether you're starting out or you've been going for a while and you wanna skyrocket your progress, I know how beneficial this is. Like I said, it's over $2,000 actually, dollars worth of value in this thing for completely free. So you can check the link in the description and check it out. There's an opt-in page where you put in your email and name and you get a free ebook, but continue on past that so you can take advantage of this package. The growth on this channel has been too small. It's because I've been failing you guys. I haven't been doing psychologically and marketing wise what is necessary to serve you guys the best and serve the masses as much as possible. So I'm gonna change that now. And it starts with that package that I'm offering you guys, that offer this in the link in the description. So do take advantage of that. It's incredible. I worked, the past 30 days to put it together during my training. So the link for that will be in the description. Let me know what you think. What do you think about my thought processes here? Because I don't make any money on this YouTube channel. It's my lowest revenue stream. So I'm doing this for you guys entirely, which sometimes I lack a little bit of motivation because I'm not really making money doing this. So take advantage of that package, do it now, take action now. This is gonna be available only temporarily. Stop blowing your money on ads, stop blowing your money on paid things. You need to take advantage of it now so that you can have access to it forever. So many people don't take action. I lost thousands of dollars by not taking action. Take action now and revolutionize your progress.